everybody, welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I just want to say happy Mother's Day to all the mothers to be, all the foster mothers, and all the fathers who had to act as a mother. I just want to say happy Mother's Day to you all. My day was a beautiful day. I had a wonderful time on today. So you guys, thank you so much for tuning in on my channel. I am coming to you tonight. I am going to go ahead and color my hair. As I color my hair, I will not be doing any talking. Right now I'm going to show you the product that I am going to be using, and which I did use before. So my hair, it has grown, and right now it's gray, full of gray. Of course, you all know that this is a wig. This is the color that I am going to use. This is by L'Oreal. It is called Feria. I got this in a number 20, natural black. African American women have used this product, and I am one of them. And it did last me a long while. It did. My hair has been shedding. I hadn't touched my hair in months, but I have been taking care of it. I have not, combed it out. I have kept my hair in a protective style and twisting. Right now, up under this wig is a wig cap, and my hair right now, I got it up in like two, like ponytails. So which I am going to take my hair down before I get ready to color my hair. So you guys been asking me to do update on my hair. I am back, you guys. My camera has shut off. You guys stay tuned, and like I said, I will not be doing any talking as I apply the color to my hair, but I will show you my natural hair, and I'll be back. Okay, this is the color I'm going to use on my hair, and it is called Feria by L'Oreal. Okay, and what is in the box, you have your let me see, let me take it out. You have your instructions with gloves. Then you have your number 1 is your shimmering conditioner color gel. So you're gonna pour that into number 2, which it is your shimmering conditioner developer. This is your oil here, and I think that, okay, this is number 3, aromatic shimmer serum 4 here, which is your conditioner. This is your powder shimmer conditioner. So I did use the product before, so it was successful. So these are the black plastic gloves. Now let me go ahead and pour number 1 over into number 2. Then next you're going to pour the serum over into number 1 and number 2. The whole thing. Then you're going to mix by shaking it up. Now, let me go ahead and show you my hair. Now, I did have it twisted up. Here's my hair. But look how gray it is. I have not colored my hair in months. It might have been a year. I know it's been months. I have been giving myself a trim, a line. which I am going to do that after I color my hair. This is the length of my hair. I have kept it in a protective style for a very long time. I have not cut my hair. I have not done anything to it. So, I have a little, let me see, just very little shedding. I try not to comb my hair as much. Because I don't want any breakage. So I'm trying not to cut my hair, but I want to trim it up a little bit. And I will do that after I press it out. I'm so curious to know how much it has grown. I have washed my hair. It says make sure you wash your hair and get rid of the residue of hair grease, oils, or whatever in your hair. So I've done that, and it's been a couple of days now. It is all black. And my next video will be me pressing my hair. I'm gonna give this a couple of days in order for the color to set in, just to see the true length. Because right now, this is shrinkage. And this is how much it has grown. Okay, shrinkage. I had a few shedding due to stress. I have been under a lot of stress in the past month, but I'm okay now. I'm okay. By the grace of God, He brought me through, okay? But that's another story. This is it, y'all. Let me know what you think about my hair. So right now, I'm getting ready to put it in a protective style. Come back, because you never know what I may have next for you. So stay tuned and be blessed. Oh yes, but if I didn't tell you earlier, which I did, Happy Mother's Day to you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.